Hello, everyone. It's Joseph here again, and welcome to the 7 day free guitar course for absolute beginners. In this class, we can smell Christmas already, and I'll be teaching a Christmas song with just 3 chords. I'll be teaching you how to play a Christmas song with 3 chords, and the name of the song is Jingle Bells. Very, very popular. The legendary Jingle Bells. Every Christmas. It's Christmas. So this is the fourth guitar class. This is day 4. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos, I will advise you to check every videos from lesson 1 to lesson 3 before you come to lesson 4, because we'll be introducing chords from the older classes, which is the G chord from the 3 and the D chord from the 2, I think. So check out my previous videos to learn these 2 chords, 2 major chords, and we'll be introducing the C major chord. But before we get started, we should always tune our guitar. So my guitar is tuned here. So I will want you to check out your guitar to make sure it's sounding exactly like mine. So this is my 4th string. This is my 2nd string. This is my 3rd string. This is my 4th string. Here is my 5th string. And finally, the 6th string. Okay, so the new chord we'll be treating is the C chord, and I'll show you how to play it. Very, very simple. All you need is 3 fingers, and your first finger, the first finger you'll be using is your 3rd finger. Your 3rd finger, we fret with our 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, and finger 4. So you place your 3rd finger on the 5th string on the 3rd fret. This is the 1st fret, this is the 2nd fret, and this is the 3rd fret. So you place your finger there on the 5th string, and you place your 2nd finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. On the 2nd fret, and you place your 1st finger on the 2nd string on the 1st fret. So that's it. And make sure you're using the tip of your fingers. The tip of your fingers. Make sure you are not touching any other strings apart from the specified strings. Then you strum from the 5th string. Strum it down. So that's the chord we'll be introducing here. So now I'll play this song for you. Remember, I will be using the G chord, the C chord that we just learned now, and the D chord. So the song goes this way. Then you go to C. Then you go to D. Then you go to C. Then you go to D. So I'm going to go one more time. Down strum. Then you go to C. Then you go to D. Oh. Then you go to G again. da di da 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 da, then D, da 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 di do. So that's how to play Jingle Bell. Merry Christmas. So I'll see you in the next class. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Cheers.